My name is Sharon and I have 2 stores, Pure Home Direct and Wine Cooler Collection. I joined Dropship Breakthru. I was part of another community and I just needed more. And once I saw a video that John had made explaining about Dropship Breakthru, I thought I'm going to give this a try and just ended up loving it. I find Dropship Breakthru to be a great community. I find John and BK to be very supportive and very present. Whenever you have a question and you put it in the Slack group, you're going to get an answer. And a lot of times it's BK or John themselves. They're not just a face behind the product, they're actually a part of the group. But the group itself is so knowledgeable when you put everybody together and everyone's wanting to learn. One of the things that I think with Dropship Breakthru that really helped me is in the course. There's part of the course for the beginners, but then there's part of the course for growth. And that growth part really takes this program a step further from another program that I was involved in, because it helps you once you've established. It actually is going to help you grow your business. So last year at the Dropship Live, I received the 100K award, which was exciting. But this year in Salt Lake City, I've reached the 1 million mark. And when I reached that mark, it just kind of set me back for a minute because I never thought that was possible. I think anyone that has interest in being their own boss would be a great fit. Dropship Breakthru for me has been life-changing.